guys on Mike's show are touching depravity a lot. Mike is a good storyteller. His show's a great watch. And Mike's accent is so adorable.
I'd say his accent is adorable. Oh, wow.
Take a look at how you can use the Lalamu lip sync software to make it look like your 3D printed dolls are talking. So you see I have an image set here. These are all individual pictures. They're taken sideways with the camera. My camera happens to take better pictures that way, so I take them sideways, then I go through and I lay them out to the script. That image set is laid out to the script. And I go through and I render it sideways after it's laid out to the script. The images are laid out to the script, rendered sideways. And then you go back and you drop the video back into your video editing software and turn it vertically the right way. And then you got to export the video and the audio separately. The video you want an MP4 and the audio you want an MP3. So you don't combine them. Make sure to export them separately. And then whenever you go into Lalamu, Lalamu is somehow attached to Canva now. That's fairly recent. It's an easy setup in Lalamu once you get there. You can see that I'm rendering here. I've rendered 2 different files. I'm going into Lalamu, and all you have to do here is upload those 2 files in the appropriate spots. And then tell it to generate. And it takes a little bit. I remember this is all sped up 500%, so it is going to look much faster than what it really was, but it doesn't really take that long. This was a 37-second dialogue. So it rendered it, and you move it on to your canvas and fill the screen up here. Export it as a file that you can find onto your hard drive. And then go back into your video editing software and replace that raw footage, that unsynced footage, with the synced footage, and make sure to turn off the audio from the unsynced version so that you don't have like an echo or a really loud file. So what you're seeing there is the 3D printed dolls with their lips synced using Lalamu.
Mike is a good storyteller. His show's a great watch. And Mike's accent is so adorable.
I'd say his accent is adorable. Oh, wow.